So, andito tayo ngayon sa Sienna Residences in Parañaque to check again a new foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So, let's go and check this out. So, this is the unit. 62.5 square meters. Total floor area niya. And meron po siyang kasamang parking and service area. And as you can see, medyo maayos po siya, madumi lang. And it looks good as brand new. This is 2 bedroom with balcony. Ito po yung isang balcony niya. Ayan. And then yung kitchen niya, maayos pa. Intact pa yung mga cabinets, overhead. And then under cabinets niya. And then 2 bedrooms. Ito po yung isang kwarto. Ang kagandahan dito, marami siyang bintana. Because corner unit po siya. And then ito yung pinakamalaking kwarto o yung master's bedroom. May aircon provision din siya. Yan po siya. And then yung bathroom niya, malaki rin po yung bathroom niya. Parang hindi siya masyadong nagamit ng previous owner. Kasi maayos pa siya. Konting linis lang. And perhaps minor repairs lang po siya. And ang kagandahan po dito, bukod sa may kasama po siyang parking, corner unit po siya. Kaya maganda po ang lighting niya and ventilation niya. Dahil marami po siyang bintana. So this is around 6.4 million, but we can request for discount. Pwede natin siya makuha at 6.1 million or around 88,000 per square meter. Below market and zonal value na po yan. And again, this unit comes with a parking space. Malapit lang po to sa SM Bikutan, sa Skyway, sa SLEX, sa Makati, Airport, and sa BGC. This is as is where is upon turnover, and submission of offer is first come first served basis. Of course, itong gamit na to, itong piano and then yung ref, ipo-pull out po yan ng bangko before turnover. And lilinisin lang po itong unit sa inyo bago po siya ma-turnover. So again, if you're interested to make an offer, please message us directly.